drive to my own car, my favorite car. So let's get started. Please see my video properly. Okay? It's starting. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum. Hello friends and hello everyone. I am Mr. Jahar Mejibin Iqbal. This is my YouTube channel Mejibin's World. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I drove in heavy rain. I wanted to go somewhere today and shoot a video for you, but the rain came and made all the complex. So I thought I would share with you what it feels like to drive in the rain. Today it was raining heavily, and this is also my first time driving in the rain. Since this is my first experience, I will definitely share it with you. It is very difficult to drive because of the rain, but I don't know why the sound of the rain is very good. Actually, if my father was present here, he would never let me drive in this rain. So friends, have a lot of fun today. I didn't know before that it feels so good to drive in the rain. everything unknowingly and carefully. So friends, if you like this video and if you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. So friends, I will be back more videos. Till then, be safe and stay at home. Okay?